Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing the top 10 viral-worthy educational video ideas for your YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, these video concepts are sure to capture your audience's attention and help you create content that they'll love. Idea number 1. Stay ahead of the curve and educate your audience about the latest trends and breakthroughs in science. Idea number 2. Share intriguing and mind-blowing information about a popular subject. Idea number 3. Teach your audience how to do something new and exciting, like a language, craft, or DIY project. Idea number 4. Explore the history and origins of a popular subject and show how it has changed over time. Idea number 5. Proven, insert topic, hacks. Share practical and effective tips and tricks that can make life easier. Idea number 6. Conduct a fun and interactive challenge, like a science experiment or a social experiment, and share the results. Idea number 7. Spark a discussion or debate about a controversial or current issue, such as a political or scientific topic. Idea number 8. Engage your audience with a fun and educational quiz that tests their knowledge on a particular subject. Idea number 9. Investigate and solve a mystery, such as a historical mystery or a scientific mystery, and share your findings. Idea number 10. Take your audience on a virtual tour of an interesting place, such as a museum, historical site, or natural landmark,